Hello children, today let us learn the biographical sketch. Here are a few instructions to be followed in order to make a proper biographical sketch. Go through these instructions and then start splitting the information into appropriate paragraphs. On to the question here. Given below are the details of a famous cricketer, MS Dhoni. Based on this information, write a biographical sketch of MS Dhoni. Points to be observed. Full name MS Dhoni. Date and place of birth 7th July 1981, Ranchi, Bihar, India. Parents, father Pan Singh, mother Devaki Devi. Test debut 2nd December 2005 versus Sri Lanka. Shalimar last test 26th December 2014 versus Australia. ODI debut 23rd December 2004 versus Bangladesh. T20 debut 1st December 2006 versus South Africa. ODI captaincy 2007 to 2015. Test captaincy 2008 to 2013. Awards. ICC ODI Team of the Year in 2008 and 2009. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 2007, Padma Shri Award in 2009, Padma Bhushan Award in 2018. Now on to the biographical sketch. Look children, since we are writing about a sportsman, it would be better to opt for a quotation which is pertaining to hard work, determination, confidence, persistence and so on. Now here I am using the quotation. A dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination and hard work. Colin Powell. One such person who made his dream into a reality with a lot of hard work and courage is none other than MS Dhoni. Here in the first paragraph, I am connecting the quotation and the person and introducing the person. That is, in the quotation I have used the words the dream becoming a reality through hard work and sweat, and I am connecting that the person MS Dhoni possesses such qualities. Hence, he has reached the peak of success. In the second paragraph, we can give the details of the date of birth, place of birth and parents. So, here we go this way. The full name of MS Dhoni is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He was born on 7th July 1981 at Ranchi in Bihar, to Mr. Pan Singh and Mrs. Devaki Devi. Now on to the third paragraph. Right from his childhood, he was interested in games and sports. He always participated in the sports events held in his school. His passion towards cricket grew intense day by day. He wanted to bring India to the forefront in terms of international standards. Now look children, here in this paragraph we are not dealing with any of the data or any of the facts given in the tabular column, but we give such information which are very common, very general and which are applicable for most of the sports person, which does not disturb the given data. In such a way we can use some sentences so that it is not boring for the reader. On to the fourth paragraph. He entered the ODI cricket team and made his debut on 23rd December 2004 in a match against Bangladesh, and in the very next year he entered Test cricket team on 22nd December 2005 in a clash against Sri Lanka. The very next year he entered the T20 cricket series on 1st December 2006 in a match against South Africa. The immediate year he was made the captain of ODI team. He donned the hat for 8 long years, where the Indian team made tremendous progress in its performance. He even served as a captain for the Test team from 2008 to 2013. He announced his retirement from Test cricket on 26 December 2014 after a match with the Aussies. Look children, in order to create the flow or the sequence, we can use such words which are in coincidence with the fact there. Here in the data or in the tabular column we are given the years one by one, and when we analyze they are the immediate years. So here I have written this way: in the very next year, the very next year, the immediate year. So this all show that it is the next year. So in order to avoid too many numbers in the paragraph, we can use this technique also. On to the next paragraph. For his invaluable contribution in the field of cricket, he was honored with Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan in the years 2009 and 2018 respectively. He was even the proud recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna in 2007. He even bagged the ODI Team of the Year by ICC in 2008 and 2009. He is an inspiration to each one of us to follow. His love for our country is extremely admirable and worth being followed. So this is how you conclude a biographical sketch, by telling what we learned from the life of that person. Hope you all understood how to make a biographical sketch. And look children, do not just go with the facts. You can add certain sentences which do not disturb the facts, which can be in general terms true for most of the persons. Thank you for watching. Thank you and have a great day.